welcome to this video. Today we are playing Roblox in Cruise Ship Tycoon. This is my boat as another boat pulls along and beside me of the same class. I have got enough for the Mallard class. If you look here, buy new ship. I have enough for the Mallard class, and I've been looking forward to this boat because I really want it. The next one up is double the amount. Then that's 600 Robux. Then this is quadruple the amount. It's the holidays. And then this is 8 times the amount. I'm not sure what 8 triple is. Okay then, anyway. So, I do believe... I think... I'm buying it. I'm buying it. I have to do it. Right, I think I'm going to call it... RMS Orion. And I'm going to... Alright, hold on. Look at it. Looks quite nice. Needs a lot of work done, but looks quite nice. I'm not sure how... I forgot how to change the colour in that. Buy another! No. I'm not buying 500 grand. Right. Let's dock it. Oh right, it's in edit mode. Edit mode. That'd help. Right, paint. Outdoor. Primary. I'm gonna advanced. No. Oh, right, that costs Robux. Ooh, that's kind of bright to the eye. That's a better red. I do believe that's maybe the same red we used for my other boat, which isn't rendering in. And then outdoor secondary. Let's go for a gold. That's a nice colour. I might make the red even dark. No, wait, no. Make that even darker. And then outdoor secondary. Like that. That kind of looks good. In my opinion. Imagine if I made it pink. No. What gold was it we were using? That one. Was it? This is a goldy colour. And now we need to go in and edit the indoor. Might actually just paint it the same to match, you know. Actually, you know what? I might as well make it blue. Done. Right then, I think that's pretty good. Now, first. Alright, let's get rid of edit mode. We'll board my other boat. And we'll just manage routes. Well, first supplies, just refuel, and then routes, load that, passengers, load passengers, routes, activate autopilot. So then, manage if we go into ships on board RMS Orion. Let's drive it. Right then, let's go. Speed! I was actually riding on the other person who has a Mallard class on the server, so yes. Oh, this is fast. And I don't know what my other boat's doing. Hope it makes a tight turn to the left. Look, it's just going straight at us. Happy days, happy days. What are you doing, boat? Turn. We're already doing 15 knots. That's so basically we've beaten the Heron class. We're almost going faster than the Heron. And I think I quite like the funnels on it. Not too big. I'm not sure what it would look like with a whale one like that one. Oh, finally it's turned. Why are we not going any faster? Oh yeah, it's because we barely got any generators down below. Speaking of which, where even are the stairs? Do I have to build them as well? Because in the Heron class you don't have to build them. Right, let's just parkour down. Oh, that was kind of good. Still no stairs. I don't know how I'm gonna get down to the engine room. Oh, look. We've just given us some money. Thank you, game. Yeah. Don't know how we're gonna get down to the engine room without building a stairwell. Well, how about we build a stairwell if I can even get back on. Hold on. Just board my other boat. And then board this. Haha! Edit mode. Build. What does it come under? Forge? Rooms? Surely not. Furnishings, food, no. Activities, utilities? Yes, here it is. 750. Not too bad. I think it only goes one deck. Let's go down a deck. I had this idea on one of the decks, not sure if it will work because it's a bit narrow. But maybe if we go down another deck it's wider. Nope. Wait, does it get wider on this deck? Oh wait, and I could just see it in... Seriously? That many? That is not a lot. That many generators powering a boat of this size. Anyway, let's go up a deck. We might be able to fit a small room there. Then I was planning to have... Oh wait, no, but this is the bottom deck. So I was planning to have like a hole in the floor. Even just a narrow one along, but you won't fit any rooms there. Oh, we've crashed. Oops. That's not a great start, is it? Yeah. Look, my other boat's beating me because we crashed. Oh well. Yeah, my boats are known from crashing, I guess. And I haven't got autopilot on this thing. You know what? Let's just park it here. Oh, it's not in manage, it's in edit mode. So anyway, we were building a staircase. This boat's quite long, so I think we'll have one at each end. Hold on, let's just go up a deck. Oh, that'll end up at the funnels. So about there, I'd say. Keep it to one side of the boat for now. Deck up. Yay, now we can finally get below deck. Hold on. Yeah, that's right up against the wall. Yeah, we've got extra room there because it overhangs. And the reason I've turned the music off is just in case it's copyright. Because it has some really good music. Apart from the annoying one. The will you select us? I don't like that one. Right, I hasn't placed it near the funnels. Oh, we're good. That looks quite good, I'd say. I mean, it's very basic because it's just a brand new boat, but we just have to wait for my other boat to bring in some money, and then we can do whatever the heck we want. Mallard claw. Look, we could build one there if there was a tiny bit of floor where that red circle is, and it would be happy. Hold on, let me just try something. Imagine if it would let me build that randomly on land. I doubt it will. Yeah, it doesn't have collision. Apart from to boats, as we just learnt. Alright, here's the hard part. Matching exactly where the stairwell is, so it's about there. Deck up. Oh, right, I've messed that up. Remove. Then we shall build another one. That should be the right place. Yay! We got there in the end. Eventually. Now I've just got to do the exact same with the other one. Alright, so it's there. Yes. Alright, so there. There. And deck down is in the engine rooms. So just put one stairway down. Let's say at the front of the boat. Oh goodness, we're at 14 minutes. I'll have to cut. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you've enjoyed it. I may cut out. There will be more coming, but as restrictions of video editors, we shall have to cut it here. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Goodbye for now.